You bet. You bet.
You bet I will.
Yes, sir, you bet. I'll do my best.
Thanks, Mrs. Doobie.
You bet, dear. Bye.
You! I know you!
You bet you do, Peckerwood.
Still want me on your scurvy crew?
You bet. Welcome to our herd.
You bet your size 6 ass.
4.
If we have to come in there and get you, it's gonna be messy.
You bet. Real messy.
Do I really have my mommy's size?
Yeah, you bet.
You call my bluff?
You bet I am.
Wait a minute. Did you tell Paul?
Oh, you bet I did.
Are you willing to die to find the truth?
You bet I am! Although I prefer not to.
I am sure that your daddy has got you something wonderful.
Yeah?
Yeah, you bet.
Jack, you are pot, so you bet everything we have.
When you got nothing to lose.
I'm sure that X-ray turned out to be nothing at all.
You bet.
Any family money?
Yeah, you bet. We're talking like 3 figures. Almost $700.
So you've been completely on your own all your life.
You bet.
I bet it's been scary.
Nah, it's been an adventure.
You folks have everything you need?
Oh, you betcha.
Can we do this again? Like all the time?
You betcha, Skipper.
If you remember anything unusual about last night, anything at all, call me.
You betcha. Thank you.